Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is March 28, Monday 2022. We will discuss the Nifty view for tomorrow as well, if possible, as well as for the next few days if we can. For today, the view was that we are in a trading range. Since the trading range has developed after a rally, I am assuming that the eventual breakout will be on the upside. This is only an assumption, not a guarantee at all. So because this is an assumption and because it is necessary for us to have a view when we start trading, my view was that I will only be a buyer on dips inside this trading range. I am not looking to go short. Now today morning the market opened, then it fell down fairly quickly, and I was keeping quiet because there is nothing to buy if the market is falling down. Eventually the market started turning around and gave a rally, which picked up steam later. I will show you how on a 5-minute chart it was possible to capture the beginning of that rally, which I did, and eventually take an intraday trade, not one but 2 times I think. Took profits, then re-entered again, then took profits. In that sense, the trade was possible because I had a single-minded view. I will only buy because the trading range has developed after an uptrend. If I had both the views, I can short, I can buy because I am in a trading range, then it would not have been possible to take the long trade, because at that time I would be short. If I am short, then it becomes very difficult to accept that I have taken the wrong trade, and as I have told you earlier many times, it becomes very confusing also. So I will show you share the 5-minute chart with you, but quickly the view for tomorrow. We are still in a trading range. After all the drama that happened today, nothing has changed. We have support at about 17,100 and resistance at 17,350, and inside this expect choppiness like the one we saw today. Now eventually this market will break out either on the upside or on the downside. I don't know which side. Then we'll get a much bigger trade. Till then, take these small trades, have a one view of any one side and take the trades of that side when they come, and then they usually come more or less. So we'll have a look at the chart and then I'll say goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind. This is the daily chart for the Nifty. All of you recognize this. These are the white candles, the black candles. This is a long shadow, long lower shadow. This shadow tells us that the market went down, but intraday recovery was significant. That's how the shadow is created. That this was the low, but the close was much higher. So this was clearly an intraday recovery, which is what this says. Normally such shadows are bullish, but in a trading range, it's really difficult to say what they are. We are still in a trading range. I have already explained. We'll stay there till we break out one way or the other. That's all. Just stay cool. I'll show you the 5-minute chart, which will tell you how quickly, and somewhere around 12, this is 12 p.m. we had a large white bar. Now this by itself is not enough, but note that the oscillator, the indicator that I used, started rising, and eventually for the second time we had a successive bar and it rose again. Now the price bars are above the upper band and indicate this oscillator is rising. Both together tell us that the trend may be changing, intraday trend. So buying was suggested here. I actually bought somewhere around 17,080, exited, bought again, exited. So it was all said and done a nice trading day, but I did not catch this down move. I have already told you that I keep a view of only one side trading for any given day. So because I was only looking for a buying opportunity, there was nothing here. I just had to sit patiently. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great trading day. Jai Hind.